Hey there, Lisa Renee here, and I am going to make today a cauliflower pea salad with cashews. And you can make this vegan or vegetarian, either way. First off, if you would do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you'll never miss any new videos I have coming out. As well as, if you have tried this or you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. So we are going to put together this very delicious cashew pea salad with pea cauliflower salad with cashews. So I am going to move the camera so you can see what I am doing. All right. So what I have in the bowl already is 2 cups of frozen thawed peas. You could actually put them in frozen. They will thaw and just turn out wonderfully. You don't want that canned mushy stuff at all. Next, I have chopped up a small head of cauliflower, and that came out to be about 3 cups. So we're going to put that in. And some of the pieces are a little bigger. You can break them up if you need to. I like mine fairly small. I don't like big chunks of cauliflower in my salad because these are raw. Everything is raw. All right. So next, I am going to juice 1/2 of a lemon. If you think it's got like a weird outside, it's because I've zested it for another recipe, so the fleshiness is like weird looking. But we're just gonna put that in there. I love the flavor the lemon gives. Look, get all those seeds out. That way you don't have to worry about the seeds. That's the whole point of this little contraption. Then I have got 1/4 cup of diced red onion. Move these out of the way. Don't need anything else in the way. I have 1 tablespoon of parsley. And this parsley is the lightly dried that you might find in your grocery produce section in the cold part. So it's going to be a different measurement depending on if you're using completely dried or fresh. If it's fresh, you use more. If it's dry, completely dry, you use less. I have 1 tablespoon and 1.5 teaspoons of dried dill. Get that all in there. Then I have, if you're vegan and you like to use vegan cheese, that's fine. If you don't want to use any cheese, that's fine. And it would still be vegan, and I'm going to show you how here in a minute, even though we have some mayo. It is vegan mayo. I am not vegan. I aspire to be, but right now I am still eating regular cheese, and this is a Cracker Barrel extra sharp cheddar. And that was 1/2 cup. Then what I have used is about 1/4 cup of this vegan mayo. I can use this now, even though I'm not vegan. I'm trying to eliminate the animal products. So regular mayo has egg. This does not. I don't know the difference anymore, so I don't have a problem, and I get this all the time. Also, to cut the fat, because regular mayo has like 12 grams. Let's see. 8 grams in a tablespoon. So that's a lot of fat in 1 tablespoon. So what I do is I cut it with, my favorite brand is Kite Hill plain unsweetened almond yogurt. And this is pretty thick. So I have got about 1/4 cup of each in there. And I'm going to add that. I try to add, it might be a little more than 1/4 cup for the yogurt, because I try to make the yogurt, which is less fat, it is actually, let's just find out. It is actually 10 grams in a quarter of a cup, so very lot less fat. So we got over here. Then we got salt and pepper. I like to do this, just sprinkle it in. You use it to taste, whatever you like. Some people like no salt at all, and that's perfectly fine. I like a lot of pepper, but you add it to your tastes. As well, I am going to add a little bit of red wine vinegar, just to give it some more pizzazz. And I'm just gonna shake a couple sprinkles in there. You do that to taste, or you can leave this out as well. That would be perfectly fine. So now I'm just going to mix this all about. Peas and the cauliflower. This is such a wonderful salad and nutritious. Peas have a lot of protein as well and help you keep you full. And just make sure you get it all mixed in there so all the pieces have some of that dressing. You know, another trick is if you put all the dressing ingredients into a jar or a container with a tight lid, you can shake it up, and that would make it so much easier for mixing. I've done that a lot, especially in salads and coleslaws and things like that, where it takes a little bit more time to mix if it's not already blended up. All right, so we are gonna get a fork, and we are going to taste this wonderful salad. I got a little piece of cauliflower, cheese, peas, onions, all of that right in one spoonful or forkful. That's nice. Vinegar. Definitely, I'm a vinegar fan. And the longer this sits, the better the flavors are going to get together, married, and it's going to just taste better tomorrow. Trust me. I love that. So if you can't find Hellmann's vegan mayo in your grocery store, I'll put a link for it below. But I would highly recommend, if you haven't, this is the best vegan mayo on the market. After you've used it, it may not pass a side-by-side test with per se a Duke's, which is a really yummy mayo, but you can't tell the difference when you have it in salads, when you have it on a sandwich. They've done a wonderful job with it, and there's no eggs in it whatsoever, so it's vegan. And as an aspiring vegan, maybe one day we'll get there, but now we just try to eat as healthy as possible and eliminate as many animal products as possible and hit that plant-based lifestyle. Maybe, let's see, I would say I'm probably 85% plant-based. So we keep trying every day to be healthier in our eating, in our exercise, and our thoughts and our minds, everything. So I hope you like this recipe. Let me know if you tried it down in the comments, or if you've modified it, or if you have a different version that you'd like me to try on video. Just let me know. My email's down there. If you would like to send me an email instead, I will answer every single one. So this is Lisa Renee with our cauliflower pea. Oh, you know, and I forgot the cashews, didn't I? As you can see, as I got to the end there, I noticed what I forgot was cashews. So we completely forgot to put cashews in our cauliflower pea salad with cashews. So here we are. I have roughly chopped a half cup of whole raw cashews. And I am throwing them in right now. Let me just show you, they are in there now. There are those yummy cashews that I forgot. So we're gonna remix this. There's no worries, I would have noticed it sooner or later, but I wanted to get that on camera. You know, as much as we try to have mental clarity and do everything possible to keep our minds in optimal performance, sometimes maybe a little aging has something to do with it. I am 59, going to be 60 this year of 2022. And you know what? It's still life. We forget things once in a while, right? So now I have the cashews in it. That means we just got to taste it again. So let's do that. A piece of cashew. There it is. So that is the complete cauliflower pea salad with cashews. I'm telling you already, dill, I love dill. I put dill on a lot of stuff. I got dill growing in my garden. Dill is awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.